Okay, these are the interview questions for Node.js. Without wasting the time, let's get into the concepts. This is the first question: what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Okay, uh, Node.js can be referred it can be referred as a JavaScript runtime that allows you to execute a JavaScript code on the server side. Unlike technologies like Apache or PHP, Node.js uses a non-blocking and event-driven technology. It has an architecture which is event-driven. That means whenever a user performs some operation, it automatically enhances the event, that automatically making it efficient for handling concurrent connections. Next question is what is a callback function in Node.js and why they are commonly used in asynchronous programming. A callback function in Node.js is a function passed as an argument to another function. Callbacks are commonly used in asynchronous programming to handle tasks that may take time to complete, like reading files, making network requests. They ensure that code doesn't block while waiting for these tasks to accomplish. Right? Next, the third question is what's the purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Okay, the package.json file in a Node.js project contains the metadata. The metadata is about the project and its any functional dependencies, key properties like here the key properties include name, which is a project name, version means the version of the project, and any dependencies, external packages and project relies on. It's crucial for managing project configuration and other any kind of dependencies. Next, explain the difference between the require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over another? Here the require is used in Node.js to import modules, while import is part of the ECMAScript modules used in modern JavaScript. You would use require in Node.js because it's a standard way to include external modules, while import is typically used in browser-based JavaScript. Okay. Next, coming to the fifth question, what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you explain with an example how would use middleware in Express application? Okay, then middleware in Express.js are functions that handle both HTTP requests and response in the middle of the request response cycle. They can perform tasks like any kind of logging in, like process of logging in, any kind of sign up and login requests, authentication or data parsing. For example, you can use middleware to authenticate users before accessing certain routes. That means we have used in our project, we have initialized a session that temporarily stores authenticated information. Next, coming to the sixth question, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful API. Okay, the answer is a RESTful API can be referred to an architectural style for designing networked applications using HTTP requests to perform create, read, update, delete operations in Node.js and Express.js. You create RESTful APIs by defining routes for each operation, any kind of methods like get, post, put, delete, and handling them accordingly. Next, coming to the question 7, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager NPM and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Okay, NPM is a NPM is referred to a package manager, Node Package Manager, which is used to manage all packages and dependencies in Node.js projects. Firstly, in order to use any kind of libraries or modules that are existed in Node Package Manager, you need to install them. You can install, update or remove any packages easily by using npm. Npm reads the package.json file to determine which dependencies your project needs and fetches them into the npm registry. Next, the final question, why is it important to hash passwords into the web application? We have used the password encryption in our web application by using bcrypt library. The answer for this question is it's important to hash passwords in a web application for security. only, not only for the security, for also for reliable for the smooth reliability of our web application. Hashing transforms the password into an irreversible string format, making it challenging for the attackers to decipher the original password. This protects user data in case of data breach or any manipulated unauthorized access. Okay, thank you.